Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Himali Bhatt and I help in planning your life and manage your time using a paper planner. Today's video is about monthly planning with me and we will be planning October 2021. Firstly, what we'll do is we'll mention every area of life which we want to plan in the monthly calendar. So these are the areas of my life which I want to plan. We'll go on planning with the home section first. This section includes all my cleaning and organizing stuff. This also includes the meal planning section. I pre-plan all my meals so I don't have to think what to cook every day, and it helps me to shop in my budget also. As you can see, I have mentioned all the details regarding the cleaning in each and every section. The next is the date section. This section includes all the important dates, birthdays, festivals and anniversary. As you can see, I have birthday in the October month. There are festivals which we celebrate. You can also include appointments. The third section is the faith section, and it includes all the stuff I do regarding my prayers, and I have thought to read a shloka of Gita and write something what I have learned from this. So this is the section where I mention my everyday learnings. This is the business section. I include Instagram here, and this area includes all the posts or videos related which are to be filmed, scheduled, edited, scripted, posted, carousel, post, personal posts related to work, related to food, and the trendy videos which I make for a particular month. This is the health section, which includes my mood tracker, study tracker, water tracker, the time period of my workout, the sleep time. There are no junk days. I try to drink juice for 15 days, so there is 15 juice. I try to have fruits for 15 days, so there will be 15 fruit. There will be no forget days. My hair care routine, the period tracker. These are the things related to my breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks which I'll be eating actually. This is the budget area where I'll manage my income and expenses, and this section will be related to my savings portion which I will save. So these are my basic routines. This is my morning routine which I have to do it daily. This is the evening routine. These are the self-care routine. This is the deep cleaning section. Areas of my house which I include in cleaning and maintaining, particularly it will be easier for me to work on a daily basis. So I will mention these areas in my monthly calendar. This is the basic schedule of my day, how I will work according to my time. As you can see, this is the meal plan which I've already pre-planned the meal. But if somehow I don't eat these things, I mention everything in my monthly calendar of health. I try to complete those tasks first which I don't like to do or I am lazy in doing. So this is how I plan my October month. Hope you like them, and please do let me know that it was helpful for you or not. Thank you.